Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's tutorial is all about something simple yet super useful, how to drag a chart up and down in TradingView. If you've ever wished you could adjust your chart's position to get a better view of indicators, price movements, or just tidy up your workspace, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be able to smoothly reposition your TradingView charts, making your trading experience a lot more flexible and personalized. Let's get started right away. First things first, go to TradingView. If you're not familiar, TradingView is a powerful platform for charting and analyzing all kinds of financial markets, from stocks and crypto to forex and commodities. So once you're on their website and logged into your account, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. Take your time to get oriented if it looks a bit overwhelming. There are a lot of features, but you'll find it gets easier the more you use it. Next, you'll want to select your product. This could be a stock, cryptocurrency pair, or pretty much any asset you wish to chart. You can do this by clicking on the search bar at the top and typing in what you want to view. For example, if you want to see how Bitcoin is performing, just search BTCUSD and select it from the dropdown. Picking your product makes sure you're working with the data that's relevant to you, whether you're analyzing for day trading, swing trading, or just keeping an eye on market trends. Once you've selected your product, TradingView will take you to the main chart area. This is called the Data Grid view. Here you'll see all the price action, indicators, and tools you might have added before. The data grid is where you'll spend most of your time, and being able to control how you view your charts can make a big difference. Now, for the key step that most people don't realize is this simple: dragging your chart up and down. Just hover your mouse over the price axis, that vertical scale on the right side of the chart. Click and hold your left mouse button and then just move your mouse up or down. You'll see the entire chart shift vertically as you drag. Don't worry if nothing happens at first. Sometimes you need to make sure you're clicking precisely on the price scale. This action is basically giving you the freedom to focus on the specific price ranges that matter most for your analysis. It's a lot like adjusting the seat in your car. You want the view to match what you need right now, not just rely on the default. As you move the chart up and down, notice how your indicators, candlesticks, and lines stay in place, giving you a new perspective on how things are unfolding. You can drag it as far as you need, whether you're zooming in on a big price drop or looking at a rally that shoots off the top. Take a moment to play around with it. There's no harm, and you can always reset the chart if you want everything back in place. And that's all there is to it. Just like this, you can move your TradingView chart up and down smoothly, which can really help when you're focusing on specific trends or drawing technical analysis lines without things getting squished or out of view. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, and if you have any questions or want to see tutorials on other TradingView features, drop a comment below. I always check and reply. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow trading and charting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.